Good morning, moto friends. I want to show you my new two-wheeled wonder. This is a 2013 Honda PCX150. I bought it from the original owner, who bought it new. When he registered his title, the mileage on it was one mile, and right now it's got 17. It's got that many miles on it. Lovely little scooter. I just took it for our first ride together. Automatic, liquid cooled, fuel injected. This is a no-brainer commuter. 150 cc's, and it'll run out about 70 miles an hour. Maybe not quite 70, but I wouldn't want to go 70 on it anyway. Pretty nice purchase, pretty happy with it so far. I've ordered a tall windshield for it, and I'm probably going to order a seat cover for it and remove this little pillow here because that gets in the way. So I may take that off and put a nicer seat cover on it. But other than that, that's pretty much it. 2013 Honda PCX150. Have a wonderful day, y'all. Don't forget, God loves you just because you're you, and that is the truth.